I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine.
Hey guys, it's Evelina here and welcome back to my channel. I am so delighted and happy that you took a couple moments of your day and you dropped by my channel. Thank you so much. Today I got the cutest little tutorial coming your way. When I first saw Bella Hadid and Kylie Jenner and even Hailey Bieber sort of rock these huff updos and these really sleek, pretty ponytails, I thought there's no way that's gonna look good on me. Like there's absolutely no way. Like these goddesses have like the most perfect, insane jawline structure and beautiful, gorgeous hairline. And then I tried it on myself and I was like, wow, this actually looks really good. Because for all the times where you don't have like the freshest hair, or for all the times where you don't wanna like curl your entire head and spend like 10 hours doing your hairstyle, this is a hairstyle that you can do that you look so polished, so put together. And these hairstyles go literally with everything. Like you can wear a sweatshirt and sweats and it looks beautiful and polished and gorgeous. You can put on a blazer and put on this little high ponytail or a sleeked bun. You can just go from casual to even red carpet to events. This is the most versatile, amazing set of hairstyles that I've found up to date. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. Another concern that I had when doing this hairstyle, I was like a little self-conscious, not sure if I have the right hairline for it. I know a lot of people don't have a lot of hair here, or it's kind of got damaged over the years, or maybe aging or bleaching or whatever. I'm going to show you how to make your hairline look a million times better. I'm going to show you all the little tips and tricks that I kind of practiced and perfected these hairstyles over time. So let's do it. Also, don't forget to give this video a like. It does help me out so much. You guys have no idea. It literally takes half a second to do, and since you're already here, you have nothing to lose. And subscribe to my channel, you know, for more videos like these. Okay, I love you guys. So the first thing we're gonna do is blow dry the hair in the most silky, gorgeous, flawless way. In order to do this, I am using the Color Wow Dream Coat, not Spons. I did my research and I found that all the hairstylists that do this particular hairstyles on celebrities use this product. And why I love it is that my hair's kind of fluffy, kind of frizzy, might be all the bleaching, I don't know. But it does help to blow dry very straight, very silky, kind of add some shine and weight to it without making it greasy or stick together. Leave-in conditioners sometimes are a nightmare for me. So you're gonna section your hair, apply this generously, and then continue to blow dry it. Another trick to making your hair look extra silky and pretty is to run the blow dryer on a cool setting afterwards, like really well. So that way it kind of locks in the moisture, seals the cuticles, and you got your beautiful silky hair. In this step, you can add a little bit of oil. I like to kind of leave it like that. I really don't like much product in my hair. Then you're gonna take a bobby pin or a brush and start sectioning your hair. So I'm doing a side part and one section on each side. Now this might take a couple tries because you do really want to get that perfect part. So take your time on this one, trust me. Then I'm going to pin the sections out of the face and really brush it very thoroughly and put it in a little ponytail above my head. Now you can put the ponytail as high as you want, as low as you want. I like it a little bit on the higher side, so it kind of gives my hair extra volume when I thin it out. Then you're gonna take your hair clips out and pin the sections that you set aside behind your ears. Now here, usually I like to apply some hairspray, but I'm not going to because I do want to show you the other hairstyles and it's gonna be really difficult. So if you really want that like pinned down, just gorgeous, amazing, sleek look, make sure you apply lots of hairspray. But if you do a good job blow drying your hair like I did here, you don't really need it. It still looks really silky and sleek and nice. For this next hairstyle, you're going to want to brush your hair very thoroughly and make sure it's all perfect and smooth. And then you're going to section your hair kind of like towards the back of your head, like almost like a little bit past halfway through your head. I know it might seem like crazy, but trust me, the further you go, the better it's gonna look. And then put away the rest of the hair, brush out the hair you just sectioned, and make sure you really brush it and brush it up. Add your hairspray and then keep brushing it up to get every single hair in place. And it's important to use one of these, either round brushes or kind of Bristol boar brushes, to kind of get all the hairs in place. Now I'm going to put a little scrunchie on it. Some people like to do the hair wraparound trick to make it look like a seamless ponytail. I like it with like the scrunchie showing. So then if you have baby hairs, you can just kind of lay them flat just a little bit, just to kind of show that you have some hair in there. Then I'm going to apply this hair oil, which is the best, and it's going to make it extra sleek and pretty. And now, if your hairline is not all that great, this trick is amazing. Kim Kardashian uses it, everybody using it, is just applying some nude taupe eyeshadows to your hairline. And I promise you, it's unclockable, nobody can tell, and it looks amazing. And you can basically create your own beautiful, perfect baby hairline. And I do this all the time anyway. Even though I have baby hairs, I feel like it just looks so much better. Then I'm going to curl the ends in. I notice a lot of girls do that. I feel like it looks very pretty. That curled in bang sort of kind of looks like George Washington. I'm not a big fan, but it does look very cute. It makes it look that much more put together. And it's also very easy if you grab like a 2-inch barrel and just put all your hair in it, just to add it like a little swoop. You really don't need to put so much heat on your hair. And lastly, if you are a fan of a high ponytail and you have problems making one happen like me, use the guide from just getting your hair up from the previous hairstyle to create the most perfect high up ponytail that kind of has all of your little hairs in place. So now I'm going to take out the previous scrunchie and just make it into a big high ponytail. Now you can leave it to the side, you can just have it on the back. I like to part it in the middle and kind of create that sort of Hailey Baldwin look. I feel like this looks very, very good with short hair, but if you have long hair, you can make it work too, and it's something cute and different. And that's it. And that is it for today. I hope that you guys had so much fun today. Let me know if you end up practicing these hairstyles and how they ended up looking on you. If any of these tips or tricks helped you out at all, send your pictures to my Instagram, tag me, hashtag them. I want to see how you made this hairstyle work for you. Please leave me down below any comments that you have for future hairstyle requests, video requests, any questions, anything you have for me, leave them down below. And on that note, I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video.